Hello engineers, welcome to Craze Control Automation. If today is the first time you are watching my channel, I will urge you to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button, okay, and then hit the bell icon. Select all to turn on the notification to receive all my subsequent videos. Today we are going to look at the jogging circuit, okay. In part 1, we used a single push button and then selector switch. In part 2, we used 2 push buttons, okay. Yeah, that is one for jogging and then one for the main starting. In this circuit, okay, in this part 3, we are going to use 2 push buttons, okay, 2 push buttons, then a control relay. So we are introducing a control relay, okay. So the 2 push buttons, one will be for the main start, okay, the latching start, okay, and then one will be for the jog start or the jogging, okay. So now let's continue from here. Now over here you have CR, which is control relay, and then the key is the contactor, the main motor contactor, okay. And then here you have jog push button, and then the main start, okay, the main start button, and then our stop push button here. This is an overload, okay, an overload. These ones are all contacts, okay. This one is an open contact on the contactor. These contacts, okay, they are all open contacts on this control relay. Now let's begin by starting the motor in the jog mode, okay. So over here, when you press on this jog push button, okay, the contactor will energize. When you press on this, the contactor will energize, okay. So now our hand is still on the push button. So when this contactor energizes, the motor would begin to operate, be it a conveyor or whatever, okay. So when you press on this push button, that motor will operate. When our hand is removed from the push button, okay, the motor would go off or the contactor would de-energize, okay, because it doesn't have any hold-on contact. This contactor doesn't have any hold-on contact here, okay. Yes, this hold-on contact is right here, okay. But for now, when you press here in this side, okay, when you press on the jog push button, okay, this contactor will energize. It will energize, okay, and then the motor or the conveyor will begin to operate. When our hand is removed from the jog push button, this contact will open to go back, and then the contactor will de-energize. Okay, so that is that. Now let me come back to this side to this side, okay, to this side. Now you see we have an open contact on this contactor here in series with this open contact on the control relay, okay. So all of them, they are in series to form a hold-on circuit. They are in series here, they are in series here to form a hold-on circuit, okay. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Now when you press on the start push button, okay, now we are going to operate the motor in the long run, okay, so that when you remove our hand, the motor will still operate. It shouldn't go off. So let me explain how. When you press on this start push button, this control relay, okay, can be flow through to energize this control relay, okay. So when this control relay energizes, okay, this open contact on this, it will close, okay. So this side is close. This contact tube is also an open contact on this same control relay. It will also close. So when it closes, let's see what happens here. Current will flow through to energize this contactor, and then the motor will start to operate, okay. So when this contactor energizes, this contact and open contact on this contactor will also close, okay. So when it closes, now we have a closed line here, a closed line. So now current is flowing through this closed line, okay, to keep this control relay energized. So even if we remove our hand from the start push button, okay, because this contact is closed, this contact is also closed, okay, this control relay will still remain energized. So as long as this control relay is energized, this contact is also closed, okay, and then the contactor will also remain energized. So this contactor is on through this control relay. So that's how the circuit operates, okay. This is how the circuit operates. So when you want to off the contactor, okay, or the control relay, you just press the stop push button, okay. You just press the stop push button, okay. So it means that this control relay, okay, is the one that is providing a hold on for this contactor here, okay, in case you want to operate the motor in the long run, okay. Yeah, this open contact on this control relay is serving as a hold on for this contactor, okay. Yes, yeah. So this is basically the circuit. Now we are going to do the wiring, okay, to know how physically it operates. So let's go there. So engineers, these are the components you are going to use, okay. Our main stop button, the start push button, the jog button, the control relay, and then the contactor, the motor contactor. Okay. Now we have a diagram here, so we are going to look at this diagram to do the practicals. Okay, so the same thing on the board. Okay, so now from the live, okay, the cable came to one side of the start push button, so let's do the wiring. So this is it. Okay, so we are using the closed section, okay. So put a cable here. Okay, then one side you go, then one side you go from the stop, you go to the one side of the start, okay. So can you use this cable? Okay, then so I didn't bring the overload. This is the overload, okay. I can attach it here, or I can just put it down just for demonstration. Okay, so from the start, okay, it's going to the coil, the A1, okay, of the control relay, okay. So this is A1, A2, A1, A2. Okay, so from here, from one side of the start, it is coming to the A1 of the control relay. So this relay, okay, let me remove the coil. This is the base, okay. It is pluggable. This is the base, and then this is the coil, okay. Yeah, the coil and the contact. Yeah. So you see here, this contact here, okay. You see this contact. These are the common contact, okay. These are the common contacts. The top here, okay, is the close contact, close. So it means that this side, okay, and this side, okay, they are the close contacts, okay. I said earlier that this side are the common contacts. This is the close contact. So it means that this side and this side, they are the close contacts. So this side and this side is close contact. Here and here, close, okay, in that order. And then this side, okay, are the open contacts. So this side, the same common, this side, okay, this side, okay, is open. So here, and here is open, but here and here is closed, okay. So we are going to use two open contact on the relay, this side and then this side. So it means that we are going to use the common here and then this side. At the same time, this common, the second one, this one, okay, this one too, and then this side. So you use this side, okay, this side, and then this one too, okay, this one too, and then this side, okay. Yeah, okay. And then this contact, they are the coil contacts, okay, coil contact A1, A2, okay. So we have 13 and then 14, okay. On relays, you see 13 and 14, they are the coil terminals. 13 and 14, they are the coil terminals, okay. So now let's continue. So this relay is an AC relay, okay, AC relay. If you can see it clear, my camera is not showing, okay. Are you seeing it? This is the voltage, AC, 220 volt AC. Okay, so now let's do the wiring later, and then you plug in the coil, okay. Okay, so as I said, from from the start, it comes to the coil, okay? So, okay, sorry, let's do here from the stop goes to the start. So we are using this one as our start, okay? So this is the opening side. Okay, so show this one here. Use different screwdriver. Okay. Okay. So from the start, okay, it's going to the coil A1 or on the relay. So this is the A1. Okay. This side is the A1. Yeah. So you pick a cable. Let's use this black cable. Okay, you see that? So it's going to the coil this side, okay? A1. So this is the coil on the control relay. So let's do it well. Loosen it. Then we tighten it. Okay, and then the A2 of the coil is going to the overload, okay? The overload. So pick a cable, you put it at the A2. This is the A2, okay? This side is the A2. Yes, then from that side to the overload, okay? The overload. That's one side of the overload. That is the 95, 96, the closed section. Okay, so you see here 95, 96, NC. So to come to this side. Okay. This is very practical. Okay, so just take your time, watch to the end. Okay, then you really understand the circuit. And then from the overload, the 96 to the neutral. Okay, so this is our neutral cable. Okay, yeah, so you put it at the 96 this side, right? Okay. Okay, now so we are done with this side. Okay, so left with this side. So you can tap. You can either tap from the stop or the start. Okay, so let's tap from the start to the open contact, one side of the open contact on the contactor. Okay, so let's take another black cable. So this is the start. This is the start, this side. Okay, so you can either pick from this side or here. So we are picking from here. Okay, so just look at the wiring carefully. Okay, and do the same thing. So let's join them together. And then put it here. Yeah, put it here. Okay, that is it. Okay, now from this side, okay, it's going to one side of the contactor, the open contact. Okay, so the contactor, this is the open contact. This one, the 1314. See here, I've seen it. 13, 14. So you place it here, the 13. Okay, and because they are in series, okay, they are in series. So I'll continue from this side. This is where the cable came. Okay, so I'll continue from here. Okay, so they are in series to the open one side of the open contact on the control relay. Okay, so I'll put it there. Okay, this one. Then to go to the control relay. Okay, so I said this side are the common, the down here are the open contacts. This is the close, so you want one open here, okay, and here. So I'll just put it here. And then you see from that side, the other side is going to the start. Okay, you can put it at the coil terminal, but I'll prefer the start. So I'll pick a black cable. Okay, and I'll put it, so see it here, loosen it, so this side. Okay, so I'll open this side. Okay, then place it here. So it means that they are in series now. I've connected them in series. Okay, and then to go to the start, okay, the start. Okay, so now on P12, the start on the other side, so it means that this side, okay, this side, so they are in parallel with the start push button. Those two open contacts are in series and at the same time in parallel with the start push button. So this is it. Okay, I'll place it here. Yeah, and then I would tighten it. Okay. Oh, it was not tightened well. Okay, let me use this. Okay. Okay, now it is well tightened. Okay, it's well tightened. Yeah. So now we are done with this side. Okay, we are done with this side. I'm left with this side. Okay, then we will tap from the start push button again. Okay, sorry, we tap from this side. Okay, where the start and this side join. So you can tap from the start or one side of the contactor. Okay, the 13. So this side. Okay, and then we bring it to the jog push button. So I'll bring a black cable. Okay, I'll open this side. Then I'll join it there. I'll join it and then put it there. Okay. Okay. Put it there. Okay. Yeah. So it will come to the jog push button one side. So that's the open side, this side. Okay, so this side, put it here. I'll put it here. And then the other side to go to the contactor coil A1. Okay, contactor coil A1. So I'll put I'll bring a black cable, put it at the other side. Okay, that side, this side. Yeah, and then to go to the contactor coil A1. Coil A1 as I indicated. You see this side. Yeah, A1. So the contactor coil, these are the contacts. Okay, you have A1. Okay, and then A1 and then A2. Okay, so I'll put it here. Yeah. Okay, and then the A2 from the contactor will join the A2 on the control relay. Okay, on the control relay. So this is it. So this is the A2 on the control relay. Okay, this side. So I'll take a black cable. So let me take quite a long cable. Okay, let me use this black cable, or this. Yeah, this one is quite long. Let me take this one. Okay, this one is quite long. Yeah. So I put it at the A2 on the contactor. Yeah. On the A2 on the contactor. So there is it. Okay. Then if you go to the A2 on the control relay, okay, this side. So I'll open here. And then I'll put it here. Okay, so now we are done. Now left with this side. Okay, this control relay, the open contact on the control relay to be in power with the jog push button. Okay, so we are come to use another side. Okay, so this side, okay, using it, this side, okay, and then this side. Yeah, the open contact. Yeah, so I'll take a cable. I'll put it from the jog push button. Okay, let me use long cables. Okay, so I'll put it at the jog push button. Okay, so this side. This side. So to come to this side. So I'm tightening it well. Okay, so now it is well tightened. Okay, so to come to one side of the open contact on the control relay. Okay, you see that? So this is it. Okay, and then the other side. Okay, the other side, you see, the other side will also come to the control relay. Okay, yeah, so they are in parallel. Okay, so I'll bring another cable and take the one that has small distance. Okay, so I'll put it here. This is the jog. Okay, I'll put it the other side. Okay, so is it moving? No. Then I'll bring it to the other side. Okay, the other side, this side. Okay, so finally we are done. All right, now we are done. We are done with the wiring. So let's arrange it. Nice. Okay, this is our stop push button, control relay. Let's plug in the coil. Okay, this is the base, then this is the coil. So these terminals, they make contact with all this. Okay, see these holes, the holes. Okay, yeah, so we plug it inside. Now we are done. Yeah, we are done. The cable is plenty. Yeah, that is how it should be. So we are done. Okay, this is our overload. Okay, the overload, you can attach it at this side. Okay, yeah, but this one is only the control, so it doesn't matter. Okay, if you don't touch it, if you don't connect it, put it here, it doesn't matter. So let's focus on the controls. So let's press it. We come to start the operation. Okay, yeah, so that is it, right? Okay, so let me go and switch on the main supply and come. So this is our main supply. Okay, so now we are coming to test. Okay, yeah, I come to test the jog side first. Okay, the jogging mode. So let me test whether there's power with the tester. Yeah, I see. Yeah, okay. So come to press the jog push button. Okay, yeah, when I press the jog push button, the connector will energize. Let me see. You see, it is energized, right? But the control relay is off. My hand is still on. Okay, let's see. You see that? You see that? Have you seen it? Yes, now I come to press the start. Okay, so as I press the jog, you see that? Okay, as I remove my hand, you see it like this. Okay, let me press the start push button and see the control relay. See, the light is on. Let me take off my hand. You see, as I took off my hand, it is still on. Why? Because once this one is energized, okay, this side is closed. This side is closed. Okay, it's closed. See here, this side is closed. This side is also closed to energize this contactor. When this contactor also energizes, this side is also closed. And so now we have a closed circuit here. Okay, so even if I remove my hand from the start push button, okay, because this side are all closed, the control relay will be on. This side will also be closed. The contactor will also be on. So that is how it operates. When I press the stop push button, you see, it went off, right? When I press the start, I take off my hand. Okay, you see the light is flickering. That is the race, the AC, the sinusoidal. Okay, so the camera is capturing that. It is the cycles. Okay, the camera is capturing that, so it doesn't mean anything. Okay, so when I press the stop, it goes off. It goes off. Press the start, the contactor is energized. It's also energized. Okay, so this man energizes the contactor. Okay, through this contact. Okay, when I press the off, the stop, it goes off. So this is the jog. And I take off my hand to go off, on, off, and then starts. It is inside. And I press the stop, it goes off. So seniors, engineers, this is simple jogging circuit using a control relay and 2 push buttons. Okay, yeah, thank you. Also engineers, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you understood the wiring. This circuit is so simple. Okay, we only introduce control relay, and it's not anything difficult. Okay, yeah, so I'll urge you to kindly hit the subscribe button to subscribe for me. Okay, when you subscribe, I'll also be enthused. Okay, I'll be happy to do more videos for you to also learn. Okay, yeah, so just hit the subscribe button to subscribe, and then hit the bell icon, select all to turn on the notification to get all the videos that I'll do subsequently. Okay, and also like the video, share to your friends, and don't forget to put down your comments. Okay, just put down a comment. Let me hear what you want to say. Okay, what do you have? Anything that you have, just let me know in the comment section. So just write something for me. I'm waiting for your comments. Alright, so see you in my next tutorials. Thank you.